This conference will now be recorded.
I'm making you the presenter.
Yeah.
If
Could you see my
the
screen?
numbers- Yes. Open CMD. No, not this. Close CMD again. Right click at the, I'll tell you where. Right click at the leftmost position on your screen near the Windows button.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Close Windows. Es- Press escape. Press escape.
Okay.
So right click at the leftmost position. So not on the Windows button. Yeah, just at the corner of your screen. Leftmost. Left. So that's your right.
This one? Your task in task view?
No. So I'll tell you where. See, you can see the Windows button, right?
Yeah.
So just click at the, no, don't click on the Windows button. Just click at the left of the Windows button where there is a boundary. Yeah. Open command prompt CMD admin. No. This you open from there. Press escape again.
Okay.
Wait, I'll show you.
This is, I clicked it in search bar, and if we could see here, this one.
Wait, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just give me a second. Okay. Leave this part, no worries. So I'll send you one. There is the object that we use for SMTP. This is actually the old one. I'll send you one more. What do you say? One more Excel VBO. Import that.
Okay.
But for that Excel VBO to work, no, sorry, not Excel VBO, Outlook VBO to work, you should have your Outlook launch always.
Okay.
Now, did you look at the session variable file that I sent you?
Session variable file?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What shall I
No.
say?
This only file, these files I got from you.
Okay. Lavanya, you there? Just let me talk to her. Okay, I think I've asked her. She's gonna send again. Maybe she didn't send this one. Okay. Okay, make me the presenter. Okay, so the new object of Outlook that I'm going to send you, it requires your Outlook to be launched. If your Outlook is not open, it will not send the email.
Okay.
So like in the old object, we have to find the SMTP and port. In this object, you won't have to find any SMTP and port. If your Outlook is open, it will automatically send an email.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do you launch your Outlook? See, there is also direct ways of launching the application. I'll tell you how. So if you saw my example yesterday's of session, you know that you could see I was launching Notepad calculator in one go only.
Mm-hmm.
So there is one utility as utility environment start process.
Okay.
So this utility environment, it has a action as start process. In start process, you can give any application path directly,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and that will launch your application.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Start process. Okay. Utility environment. Okay.
That means okay. See if I otherwise, how do we launch the application? We configure that application in the modeler, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So if I launch with this, I don't have to configure my application in the modeler. I can just directly launch my application.
Okay. Launch. You mean to say start the application from the where you want to start? That's that point you're discussing about, or the,
No, I'm saying launch as in yeah, the start process is actually launching the application only.
Okay.
But we're directly launching the application without configuring in the modeler.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Similarly, you can give the path of your Outlook and I'll just send you an object in like 5 minutes. So I'll ask her to send. So after you launch your Outlook to start process, you can directly call that send mail function.
Okay.
Send email function that will directly send your email.
Okay.
Okay. So just give her 5 minutes. I think she'll send the mail. Then you can probably. Okay. Now other thing that we have is we didn't go through the alert stage.
Yeah, I got it. 1 second.
So this might be the session mail that you might have got it. Actually, I didn't send the Outlook video. Just give me 2 minutes.
Do you want me to import that?
This is the file that I'm sending. That is a session file. The same. The one you're seeing on the
Okay.
screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I'm sending one more email. Okay, I've sent the object.
Okay.
Okay. Till that time, let's see alert. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So this triangle that you see is the alert stage. So I'll take a text variable for alert. We'll give this alert as session flow started. And I'll pass this variable inside alert. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will save this. I will go back to control. So there is one place that we can enable the alerts from. Should somewhere. Okay, wait. There is one more way of opening alerts. See, we can activate alerts from the application also Blue Prism, or we can activate alerts using command prompt also. Command prompt using this command. So this will be automate alert username and password for BP. But
Mm-hmm.
somewhere there is also a button inside, Blue Prism to open the alerts. Now I don't remember whether actually button is.
I got two emails. One is of business, one is of MS Outlook email vbo.xml,
Yeah.
and the other email is two times I got Outlook. You sent two emails?
No, just one. I think this one will get. Just use that. I'm giving you the control. So import that object. So we'll do the alert thing, mail thing right now.
Okay. You sent only one, right? I got two emails. That's the reason I'm asking.
So I think this might be the same mail.
Okay.
Yeah, Vinay, I have sent you both the mails. Now I send you again one mail.
This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks.
I'll go to that program files path. automate.exe. Just give me a second. Automate/alert/user my name password. Remember password. Wait, let me try logging into my Blue Prism. I think I forgot my password.
Okay.
Blue Prism close. Okay, got it. Okay. So you'll see this kind of window when you configure alerts. So in the taskbar, you will actually be able to see a alert Blue Prism window. So you can see this Blue Prism process alert monitor.
I can see your command prompt and that's it. Stuck. I mean, I can see your folder one side and your command prompt the other side. That's it. I couldn't see nothing more than this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
now I could see. Yeah, now I could see.
okay. So when I perform this command into the command prompt Blue Prism automate alerts user, this is my Blue Prism username and this is my Blue Prism password.
Okay.
So when I execute this command, you will see there is in your taskbar there might be one more icon Blue Prism process alert monitor. So you right click and you say click on configure alerts. Okay. So what was
Okay.
our process name? So you'll find our process name here, order SV. And right now we'll try all the methods of alert. What is an alert? How do we play alert? So we'll right now try all. Just click on everything. You click on apply. Click on OK. It's order underscore SV. I will go to control room. I'll run my order underscore C process. You see this alert? Can you see process pending alert?
Yeah.
So this is the kind of alerts that we see. So like I checked everything, right? Even in the pending, failed, terminated, completed, every time you would get an alert. Now this
Okay.
alerts, we don't use a alert actually in production, but this is used, in case your bot is running for 4 5 hours or 20 hours, let's say. And when the bot
Oh,
is running, you cannot go and click on mouse and start disturbing the bot, right?
okay.
Sometimes what happens, your bot also might be running in the background, even if even if nothing is happening on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
You
Okay.
getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, but in real time, you'll configure these alerts to the actions or just in an application, they'll keep aside.
No, I didn't understand. Can you come again?
So this option, this alert, there's a one stage called alert, right, in our Blue Prism.
Yeah, I'll show you that what it does. It does that
Yeah,
also,
I
but
mean, yeah, I was just checking like that stage you will add for any actions or you will just add in a main page at any point, like at any place.
yeah, we can add that at any point, any place. No action
No,
required for that.
no.
Okay. So we got the pending alerts. If I start this process, you'll see you get multiple alerts. So process running alert. This alert is showing in the history, and this process started running. So I'll try and kill the process. So I'll say immediate stop. So this takes like 1 minute to stop because it is launching the Excel. So as soon as we stop, it'll give us a stop alert. Now you see this alert notification. So now this alert is, the bot is trying to tell that I'm on this stage. This is happening with my process. So without touching the bot, you can actually monitor the status of bot.
Mm-hmm.
So see process stop alert. Now when a process is running in production, we don't go and touch the bot. We just see the alerts on the screen. That sometimes what happens, even if my screen is blank, bot might be working something at the back end.
Okay.
This is why we use alerts. Now there are certain methods for alert. Pop-up alert does, you can see a pop-up. So we call this as pop-up alert. And there
Okay.
was a sound. So sound is as soon as there is a pop-up, a sound is you can hear a sound. So these are the different methods. Show history. In history also your alerts are recorded. At what time what alert was thrown. Then in taskbar icon you can actually see your alerts in the taskbar icon also. Alert from order underscore SC process, right?
Yeah.
And you can choose at what stage do you want to see your alert. So in the pending, running stage, complete, stopped, failed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Also there is one more thing. So if you go to process studio, we'll open this process order underscore SV. Now from that alert monitor, I can only have alerts at particular pages, like at particular points, like running, stopped, or it had an exception. Now I want the alerts at let's say wherever I want to put alert, it should be my choice. So let's say I want to put alert after this. That means if you want alert at custom positions or user defined positions, so place alert anywhere you want at some crucial stages. So now this is my order. This is a data driven process. So I'll just put a comment inside this and give this as, I can give the bot message as got the input starting the process. execution. So what I've done is when it's reading the Excel, so as soon as the Excel is read, there is no error in the Excel. I know my bot has got the input. So I'm just saying got the input, starting the process execution. That means it's starting with the order reference number. I'll save this, and we can also give this alert a name as input alert. Okay, save. We'll go back to control room again. Click on refresh so that changes are refreshed in. Drag and drop. No, it is not refreshed still. Okay, let's try and run this now. So if my changes has reflected in this, then I would actually be able to see my alert at when the input is processed. So let's say start.
Mhm.
That means I can put alerts at custom points also.
Okay.
So it says process running. You see that input alert got the input starting the process execution.
Yes.
So we can also put alert at some crucial points if at my defined positions. So it's not that I just want to use the alerts at running stage, or so let's say when the bot is stopped. So if I want, I can put the bot process alerts at some custom points also. This is the only use of process alerts. We don't use it very much in production.
Okay.
Okay. So as soon as you get an exception or terminated here, you'll again see one more alert. So when this finishes your Blue Prism, so there is a lot more that you can actually learn in Blue Prism. So I'll send you some documents if you want to go through them. There are some
Yeah,
advanced
sure.
topics,
Mm-hmm.
but before you go for the advanced topics, I'll give you an advice that you should complete assignment, and then there are a lot of advanced topics in Blue Prism.
No, okay. Mm-hmm.
So if your basics are right, and anyways you'll be able to learn advanced on yourself. There'll never be a problem.
Sure. Yeah, I'll look
There
on
is
it.
no
Yeah.
limit to what you can learn inside Blue Prism. But yeah, if you have any doubts, you can always ask me.
Yeah, sure. And like this Blue Prism will have the releases, right? So every release for 1 year, or like it will be have new releases, right?
Yeah, we do.
So there will be a change in every release, like from one
So
release to another release, there will be change
yeah,
in.
there are changes. Yeah, there are
Okay.
changes in release, but release like this is going on right. This is the version 6.0, Blue Prism 6.0, right? 6.3,
Mm-hmm.
I think I gave you 6.3 or 6.2. So
Mm-hmm.
until unless Blue Prism 7 comes, there'll not be a major change. There will be very small changes.
Oh, okay.
So when Blue Prism 7 comes, I'll send you that Blue Prism 7 also.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Yeah. I'm just checking. Like there, like in every version changes. I heard like there will be some, not in Blue Prism, but some in other tools. I heard will be major changes. So that's the reason I'm just checking.
No, in Blue Prism there are never major changes. From 4, if you see from version 4.5 to 6, still the same.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
when I will take 2-3 days break, or let's say we'll start up from, so today is How much time do you want to complete this assignment so that when we connect next time, you can have your doubts from the assignment? See, why do I want you to do that assignment? Because there are a lot of things that you'll not be able to do in that assignment. I know
Okay.
you'll have a lot of doubts, so that we can clear your doubts and then we'll continue for UiPath.
Okay. Okay. But I can work on it during weekends. So
So like, give me like 2-3 days to start UiPath. So do you want me to start UiPath? You'll complete the assignment on your own.
yeah, definitely. I can. Because you can start tomorrow. Tomorrow is also fine. Friday is also fine. On weekends, I'll work entirely on this assignment. Even Friday, I can do remote, so I can work on Friday also mostly.
Okay, so do your assignment on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll have the class for UiPath on Monday, where we'll cover your doubts first. If you have a lot of doubts, then we'll start the UiPath from Tuesday. Otherwise, we'll start from UiPath from Monday.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. Yeah.
You
Okay.
understand why I'm saying this? Even once you start the assignment, there's a lot to learn in that.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. All right, Vinay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.
Vinay?
Yes.